Bitcoin SV has carved out a unique, albeit controversial, niche in the crowded field of cryptocurrencies. Stemming from a contentious hard fork of Bitcoin Cash, itself a fork of Bitcoin, Bitcoin SV aims to restore the original Bitcoin protocol and scale massively to handle global transactions. Understanding BSV necessitates diving into its ideological and technical underpinnings, its impact on the financial industry, controversies it has faced, and its potential trajectory. Origins and historical context. Genesis of Bitcoin SV. The birth of Bitcoin SV in November 2018 was marked by a highly contentious hard fork from Bitcoin Cash. The SV in Bitcoin SV stands for Satoshi Vision, signifying the intent to adhere strictly to what its creators believe were the original intentions of Bitcoin's pseudonymous founder, Satoshi Nakamoto. Foundational goals. Spearheaded by Craig Wright, who claims to be Satoshi Nakamoto, a claim viewed skeptically by much of the crypto community, and the blockchain development firm N-Chain, BSV aims to restore the original Bitcoin protocol, keep it stable, and scale massively to become the world's new money and global public ledger for enterprise. Expert insight. As noted by cryptocurrency expert Andreas Antonopoulos, the Bitcoin SV fork was more than just a technical split. It represented a divergence in vision for what Bitcoin should be. Technical innovations and features. Restoration and stability. BSV's primary goal is to bring back the original Bitcoin protocol and keep it stable. They argue that a stable protocol similar to the Internet protocol is vital for businesses and developers to build projects on it. Scalability and big blocks. A hallmark of Bitcoin SV is its commitment to massive on-chain scaling. It advocates for much larger block sizes compared to Bitcoin. In 2020, BSV underwent the Genesis upgrade, which removed the default hard cap on block size to enable scalability. Expert opinion. Computer scientist and crypto advocate Nick Szabo has often critiqued large block sizes, pointing out potential security and decentralization issues. However, BSV proponents argue that large blocks are key to scalability and utility. Impact on the financial industry. A different vision for Bitcoin. BSV's approach provides a divergent path from Bitcoin's model, focusing on massive scaling to handle large volumes of transactions, aiming to be both a digital store of value and a medium of exchange for everyday transactions. Challenges to traditional finance. If successful, BSV's vision could significantly impact traditional finance by enabling quick, cheap global transactions, competing with established financial networks like SWIFT. Expert commentary. Financial analyst Lynn Alden suggests that while the potential of a scaled Bitcoin model is significant, it faces stiff competition from existing crypto projects and traditional financial systems. Controversies and legal challenges. The Satoshi Nakamoto claim. Craig Wright's claim to be Satoshi Nakamoto has been a major point of contention and controversy in the cryptocurrency community. His claim is widely disputed and has led to various legal battles. Regulatory and legal issues. Bitcoin SV has faced delisting from major exchanges due to these controversies. It also navigates a complex regulatory landscape, with differing global regulations on cryptocurrencies impacting its adoption. Expert perspective. Legal expert Jake Chervinsky notes, BSV's journey is marred by legal battles and controversies, which significantly impact its reputation and adoption in the broader crypto ecosystem. Future predictions and speculations. Potential for widespread adoption. BSV's future hinges on its ability to scale effectively and gain widespread adoption. Its proponents believe that restoring and stabilizing the original Bitcoin protocol will enable it to become the backbone of a new global financial system. Challenges and uncertainties. BSV faces significant hurdles, not just in technology and adoption, but also in overcoming the controversies surrounding its leadership. Expert forecast. Tech futurist Daniel Jeffries posits, While Bitcoin SV aims to revolutionize how we view Bitcoin's potential, its success is anything but certain, faced with immense competition and lingering controversies. Conclusion: Bitcoin SV represents a fascinating, albeit divisive, chapter in the story of cryptocurrencies. Its commitment to restoring what it views as the original vision of Bitcoin sets it apart in philosophy and practice from other cryptocurrencies. However, BSV's journey is fraught with controversies and challenges, from technological scalability issues to reputational and legal battles. As the crypto landscape continues to evolve rapidly, the success or failure of Bitcoin SV will provide valuable insights into the complexities of creating a global digital currency, the importance of community consensus, and the interplay between technological innovation and legal governance. The future of Bitcoin SV, whether it becomes a mainstay in the digital currency space or a cautionary tale, will be closely watched by enthusiasts, investors, and regulators alike.